How you can connect your Shopify store with the Debutify theme. First of all, head into your Debutify control panel. You can see the Debutify theme right here, and you click on Start for free. After this, it asks for your Shopify store URL, and to find your Shopify store URL, you head into Settings, and you can see it right here. And you can just copy it and paste it in here. You click on Verify URL, and now you can click Continue. First of all, you can see there's a lot of store features, and you can select some of these, or you can click skip for this step. As you can see right here, it says that you should install the Debutify theme. It's recommended. I'll skip this step and I will proceed without the Debutify app. I will manually download this. So I download the Debutify theme. I go to my Shopify store and I head down to Online Store and onto my themes. And as you can see right here, you have to import your theme. And I click on this and I upload zip file. And as you can see right here, it normally comes in a Debutify theme normal folder. Maybe on Windows it will come in an easy zip, in a zip file, but I used easy zip to zip my file, and now I can upload it. And now my theme is uploaded. As you can see right here, it says that there's multiple plans. You don't need a plan. As you can see right here, there's multiple integrations. I'll just skip this for now. You can also add product reviews, and it has an email and SMS service. It has some very good widgets, but this is a beta. It's not coming out yet, coming soon. And now I'm done. And as you can see right here, it's installing the theme still. And now you can see that it just got added. I can click on Publish. And this is now my store theme. And as you can see right here, it says that my online store is password protected. So I'm just going to remove my password. And now I can access my store, click on Customize. There's multiple things I can do in here. I can add sales pop-up, I can add announcement bars. And there's a lot of different opportunities with this one. So that's how you connect it.